If you've got anything plastic that's broken like this, or maybe it's a cover for your leaf blower, or maybe it's a shroud from your lawnmower, or maybe you have a cracked bumper, or maybe a part of your glove box has fallen apart, let me show you an easy way to repair them. So this is a cool plastic repair kit that I found online, and it will repair pretty well any broken plastic things that you have. It has a contact card, any problems with it, and you can email them. It's pretty easy to use, and the instructions are pretty straightforward. Comes with 2 pieces of stainless steel mesh. There's also a supply of foil tape adhesive. This is the gun that instantly heats up the little pieces of metal that you'll be putting into the plastic. It also comes with this soldering iron, and it has this brass attachment that you can easily swap out with the included screwdriver. Included is a utility knife, a pair of side cutters, also has this great selection of plastic rods, 2 sheets of sandpaper, and then it comes with a ton of these little guys that makes the job so easy. It comes with 200 of this shape, and don't worry, I'll show you how these work in just a second. 200 of this shape, 200 of these, and these ones you'll use a lot, and so they give you 400 of them. And I know what a lot of you are probably thinking. Why are you repairing a municipal recycle bin when all you have to do is call the city and you'll get a new one? But it just so happens that I have this, and it's perfect for demonstrating how this hot stapler works. So in most of the repairs that you do, you'll want to do the repair on the inside and leave the outside looking good. So go ahead and use whatever you want to join the plastic back together for the best alignment. In my case, I found that vice grips were best for holding it back together. So for this repair, I'll be using this wave staple. So all you do is take it and place it into the 2 small holes in the end of the tubes. And now when you pull the trigger, it'll take about 5 seconds for the staple to heat up and melt into the plastic. And when you're ready to go, you've got 2 ways to install it. You can place it this way, or you can place it this way. But a lot of times it'll come down to whether you have the room or not for the gun. So in this case, I'll be placing it in this direction. It's just a little bit tight in here to do it this way. And there's only one other thing that you should be vigilant of, and that is the thickness of this staple and the thickness of your plastic. That way you won't be melting the staple too far through and protruding out the other side. Then once it's where you want it to be, give it a second to cool, and it will easily slide off the staple. Then use the side cutters to trim off the extensions. And the one thing you don't have to worry about is these tips getting hot. They stay relatively cool through the whole process. And when you're done, it should look something like this. And in some cases, you may choose to grind these pins down a little bit further. It's up to you. And at this point, you've also got the option to use the soldering iron. You can use it along with one of the plastic rods to melt in some plastic and to strengthen some of the weak spots. The seam on the outside actually ended up pretty good. At the very bottom though, I should have been a little bit more vigilant at getting the surfaces nice and level. Oh well, good this was a test project. And if you want one of these very affordable plastic repair kits, I'll have it linked in the description under the video. Just click more. And you may be thinking, what do I do if I run out of staples? Well, they're readily available and they're very cheap. I'll also have these linked in the description. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like, subscribe, and hit the bell to get notifications, and we'll see you next time.